just like how equations had special cases, inequalities have special cases too. So if I were to solve this, I'd probably start by combining like terms, because I see two x's on the right side. So 7 minus 1 is 6. So we've got 6x plus 7. And then on the other side, we have 6x minus 5. Then I'm going to try to get all the x's to one side. So I'm going to do minus 6x. And my writer is lagging again. Oh, there we go. And minus 6x. So what has happened is 6 minus 6 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. So all of our x's have disappeared. So we're left with a minus 5 is greater than 7. So if you think about it, is negative 5 greater than 7? Hopefully you can see that that is not true. So because all of the x's are gone and that is not true, this is a no solution case. So what that means is on a number line, you would have no arrow and nowhere to shade. So it would be a blank number line because there is no solution if all the x's leave and you are left with a false statement. The other special case, I bet you could guess, is going to be the opposite of no solution. So we started off with distributing. Hopefully right away you can see that the left side equals the right side, but if you wanted to take it a step further, you could do plus 8a plus 8a. So negative 8 plus 8 is 0. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. So you're left with 10 is greater than or equal to 10. So although 10 may not be greater than 10, it is equal to. And remember, it's greater than or equal to. So since it fits the equal to, this is true. So this is going to have infinitely many solutions. So you could either say infinite solutions, or you could say all real numbers. Another way you may have seen to say all real numbers is that fancy R that has like the two bars right there. So whenever you've got a true statement and all the variables are gone, we've got all real numbers or infinite solutions. So what that would look like on a number line is if I've got some numbers on it, I would be shading the entire number line. So every single number that you plug into this inequality will make it true. So to summarize that, if the inequality is always true, then the answer is the all real numbers or infinite solutions. If the inequality is never true, then the answer is no solution. I guess I forgot to mention the fancy way to write no solution is that circle with a line through it. So remember, this happens when there are no variables left. So this was our infinite solutions or all real numbers, and then this one was our no solution. So why don't you guys go practice this and check out your special cases.